Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert text onto your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click that to open up the application. Now let's go to File, go to Open. That should take us to the desktop. Click on Work.Numbers, open up the spreadsheet, and now let's insert text onto the spreadsheet itself. So we're on spreadsheet 1, go to the top navigation menu where we see text, click on this and this will insert text into a cell. We can move this around if we want to. Let's just keep it where it is for the moment. Click inside that text box and let's just say Computer Science Videos. And now if we click back onto this, if we wish to, we can change the font. Let's change to Impact. We can also change the text size as well as the color if we wish to. Let's go for dark green. We can centralize, move to the right if we wish to. We can also change the spacing if we need to. Add some bullet points if we need to. However, this is a title and this will move to the top of the page itself. So if I want to, let's just say remove table 1, delete this all, and now let's just move this to the top. And now what we can do is right click on the top row and delete the row, go to the second row, add row above, add another row, and now let's take that title and add above if we need to, and there we go. Command S to save, quit numbers. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.